Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of grade 1, welcome to your English class. Dear students, we have studied articles in our previous video. Today we are going to do the worksheets related to this topic. Dear students, before we start the worksheets, let us recall what are articles. Dear children, we have studied two types of articles, a and an. Do you remember where we use them? We always use a with a singular noun that starts with a consonant sound. Examples: a ball, a chair. We use an with a singular noun that starts with a vowel sound. Examples: an apple, an ice cream. Dear children, open page number 9, worksheet number 9 of your English workbook. Prepare your page by writing day, date, and classwork. Question number 1 is, write the correct article a or an with the given words. Try to do this on your own. My dear students, I hope that you are easily able to write articles with each word. Let us check our work. Tree starts with a consonant, so we are going to write a tree. A cap. Inch starts with a vowel I. So, what have you written with inch? Very good. An inch. A potato. An eagle. A bench. An ink pot. A kitten, a bike, a ball, an owl, a tiger, a melon, a flower, an umbrella, a girl, an igloo, a banana, a key, a burger, an orange, an almond, an apple, an elephant, a table, a pencil. I hope you have written all the correct articles with the given words. Dear children, now open page number 10 and we are going to solve worksheet number 10 of your English workbook. Prepare your page by writing day, date, and classwork. We are going to solve question number 1 first. I'm going to read this question for you. Fill in the blanks with articles a or an. Our first blank is dash elephant can drink around 210 liters of water in a day. E of elephant is starting with a vowel. So which article are you going to use? Very good. An elephant can drink around 210 liters of water in a day. Blank number 2 is dash tiger has striped skin. T of tiger is a consonant. So you are going to write article a. A tiger has striped skin. Number 3rd blank is dash alligator can weigh over 450 kg. An alligator can weigh over 450 kg. Number 4, dash eagle has excellent eyesight. An eagle has excellent eyesight. Number 5, dash octopus has 3 hearts. An octopus has 3 hearts. Number 6, dash camel lives on average for 40 to 50 years. A camel lives on average for 40 to 50 years. My dear students, I hope that you are able to do all these blanks on your own. Make sure that you are going to write the articles with a capital letter because they are beginning of sentences. Question number 2 of worksheet number 10 is distribute the words in the correct column. Let us read the word bank together. Doll, orange, umbrella, house, arm, map, hat, eye, school, aunt, nose, uncle. Dear students, you are given 2 columns, one for article a and one for article an. You are going to choose the consonant nouns and write them under the article a. I hope you are going to do it on your own. Let us check your answers. A doll, a house, a map, a hat, a school, a nose. Now you're going to choose the nouns beginning with the vowel sound and write them under the column of article an. Let us check your answers. An orange, an umbrella, an arm, an eye, an aunt, an uncle. We are going to solve worksheet number 11 on page number 11 of your English workbooks. Dear children, please prepare your page like before. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks with a or an. First blank is there is dash cat on the sofa. It's sleeping. Hurry up, write the correct article. There is a cat on the sofa. It's sleeping. Second blank is this question was dash easy question. This question was an easy question. Third blank is please give me dash glass of water. Your answer is please give me a glass of water. Fourth blank is John has dash horse that rides on weekends. Your answer is John has a horse that rides on weekends. Fifth blank is Sarah is dash active girl. Your answer is Sarah is an active girl. Sixth blank is I was playing near dash rock. I was playing near a rock. Seventh blank is I bought dash umbrella for my sister. I bought an umbrella for my sister. Eighth blank is I am sitting on dash bench. I am sitting on a bench. Ninth blank is I have dash table and dash chair in my room. I have a table and a chair in my room. 10th blank is I saw dash owl sitting on a tree. I saw an owl sitting on a tree. Dear students, I hope that you have clearly understood the use of articles a or an by the previous exercises. Question number 2 of worksheet number 11 is fill in the blanks with a or an. My dear children, as you can see in the picture that a boy is standing in front of the school. Here are few lines written about this boy. Let us read this paragraph together and then you are going to fill in the correct articles. Paul goes to school every day. In his bag there is dash book, dash pencil case, dash apple, dash egg and dash chicken sandwich. Some days he also buys dash ice cream. Now hurry up. I hope that you are going to fill these blanks on your own. Now I'm going to read this paragraph again and I'm going to tell you the correct articles. Paul goes to school every day. In his bag there is a book, a pencil case, an apple, an egg and a chicken sandwich. Some days he also buys an ice cream. Dear students, I hope that the concept of articles is clear to you after solving these worksheets. Don't forget to practice at home.